Hello students, in this concept we are going to discuss about vector quantities. So while dealing with vector quantities, there is a difference between vector quantities with respect to scalar quantities. In scalar quantities, what we need is simply the magnitude or value of that quantity, while dealing with a vector quantity, we need to know both the magnitude as well as direction of that quantities. Like when we say that a body has a displacement of 5 meter, so it is not sufficient to simply write the displacement is equal to 5 meter, but here we should also describe that in which direction the value of displacement is 5 newton. Or when we are saying that we are applying a force of 5 newton on a body, then it is not sufficient to simply say that 5 newton of force is applied on the body, but here we need to specify that in which direction the force is 5 newton. Like suppose we have a ball A, and if we apply a force of 5 newton from this side, force of 5 newton from this side, force of 5 newton from this side, so in all the three cases the change in the position of this ball A is different. So whatever is the change in the position or other physical quantity of this body can only be described if the direction along with the magnitude of this force is given here. So to completely describe a vector quantity, we need to quantify the value of that quantity, that is magnitude, and also the direction in which that quantity is being applied. There are various vector quantities that we are going to deal with, like displacement, force, acceleration, velocity. All these quantities are vector quantities. There are n number of vector quantities, and we will deal with all those quantities one by one while going along in the chapters from mechanics to heat and thermodynamics. And in 12th class also you will deal with many chapters, so you will come across many different type of vector quantities across the syllabus. Okay, so thank you students.